coming through. It's a Batmobile.
We should go to that outdoor place you was talking about. I didn't see it. Or was it the electronic? We're gonna do a nice little walk today. Welcome to Ikea. Park upstairs or downstairs? In the garage? Oh yeah, and Philly Max is the baby store for all your baby goods, toys, clothing, all that good stuff. I haven't been to Expert Klein yet. Yeah, we should. Which is in, which is out, you don't even
With Betty? Yeah. I said she was home visiting. Damn thing. Lick it up. There you go. That right there. That right there.
The burst.
That was on.
You know what was the
screen. We got these. We got these fruits and milk ice pops. We got this kind of ice cream. These are the cucumbers we got.
Bread. No,
Romaine lettuce. And we got these. This is kale with some onions and all that good stuff. And I think that's chunks of hot dog in there. Yeah. Just a little ruler. Some more fruits. Yes. We got some fries. And we got this, which they opened already. But this is a little cake designer thing. So we can make cake. We can make our cake and put Iceland in there. And here is all of the things right here to decorate the cake. And then over here in our little wagon, we got these. These are like waffles with chocolate inside.
it's called.
Let's see what you got, Chelsea. We got these blueberry. This nice thing of blueberry. That was what? How much was that? $3.99. Yay for the win. We got fruits and vegetables. These are like $1.99. That's a good size. We got bananas. Look at these. These mangoes are delicious. Oh my god. It just is soft already. They're ripe. And we got 3 of them. And let me see this. And we got this. Brownies to try. Yes, that.
cookie thing what we
We got this.
And cookie thing what we have inside thing? Inside.
This is for lemon and all that good stuff. Just put in there. And then here's some more mixed fruits. I love these. These are so good. We bought these last time. Oh yeah, and then we got these fries. Last time we got the curly fries. This time we tried the waffle fries. Yeah, we did.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
I thought we had regular fries.
We tried these. I saw this. This is actual hamburger. It's 12 pack of hamburgers in here, and we got this for $5. And this right here, we got this for $1.40. It's €1.45. Inside of Globus, this chicken and wraps and salad. So everybody gets to try it. It's so good. Everything is so fresh. I did not get avocado, but that's okay. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, subscribe, and share with your friends.